Now, few people are aware of the existence of this vehicle. Even some core Lexus fans are not aware that this vehicle exists. GS350 is just slightly bigger than the IS250, but not as big as the ES350. So we call it a mid-sized sedan. The GS350 comes in an all-wheel drive setup or a rear-wheel drive setup. It comes with a 3GR FE engine. It has a lot of engine options actually, but the 3GR FE engine is the one that is more popular. Now, this engine output 303 horsepower, which is a big difference from the IS250 2010 that outputs 204 horsepower. It's a very suitable choice for those who want performance, those who want a sporty vehicle, and also want luxury. The GS350 have some unique spare parts that will make it a little bit difficult to look for spare parts sometimes. It features an aluminum camber bushing that can be very expensive and problematic at times. The GS350 is not an entry-level vehicle. It should be owned by people who know how to maintain and manage cars, experienced car owners. But if you feel like you can manage the maintenance need of this specialized vehicle, then yes, you can go ahead. All you need is a mechanic who understands the GR series of engine, because for that car, without a good engine, you will not get the best. If the engine is not giving you that promised performance, then what's the need? So you need someone who can actually keep the engine top notch.